All right, so we have to talk about a serious subject here that I've been noticing for some time now when basically I started doing stock videos and most everybody's leaving the channel. And I'm like, what is going on? I am finally, after years of doing YouTube, teaching you something that anyone could do where you don't have to buy an expensive camera, you don't have to buy an expensive truck to make money passively. Sleep. I just did a video not too long ago. I made money in my sleep, and it's true. I wake up and I was like, oh, $2,000 in the account. I'll take it. I didn't do anything. That's passive. By the way, if you ever see those videos, the pre-rolls on YouTube where the guy's like, oh man, watch me make passive money on Amazon. That's not passive. Okay, you're actively selling, you're getting product, and when you're doing stuff, that's not passive. When you're making money sleeping, that's passive, with possibly a little bit of work to prepare to make money sleeping. So why is everyone leaving the channel? And so I want to talk about trading because I can't answer that question because I'm showing you guys some valuable shit. Unbelievable stuff that most people sell. And I'm giving it away for free. It's unbelievable. Okay, so look, you have to trade stocks. All right, let's just get real. You have to trade. This is something I've been doing ever since I discovered it, which was mid-90s. I started out with mutual funds. And it's very important that you do it. It's very simple. And I really mean it. Look. To make money in stocks, you have two decisions to make, right? Two. Maybe 2.5. But we're going to call it two decisions. We're going to round down. Do I buy it or do I sell it? And 50% of the time, without even looking, without even guessing, you're going to be right. So how do you improve those odds? How do you improve those odds? 50-50, I don't like them. I don't want to be right half the time. How do I get better? Well, you got to study. Just study anything. Start learning the market. Start learning about stocks. Watch me. Because if you can change those odds to 55% right, 45% wrong, you are on the path of becoming rich. It really is that simple. You just need a little bit of education to sway the odds in your favor, and you will start making money on a consistent basis. The harder you study, which is really not that hard, the more you increase that chance from 50-50 to maybe 57, 43. I have to think about that. Maybe let's keep it even, okay? Because I'm not even that smart. 60-40. How about that? Increase your odds to 60-40. And you are making some serious money in the stock market. How? Just study a little bit. It's not going to come easy. Remember, just guessing. Guessing is 50-50. That's 50-50. Studying increases the odds in your favor. Start learning everything about these companies and everything about stocks. Start learning stock patterns and balance sheets. That's not my thing. I like the technical. I can't even say it. I like that. I won't even try. But let's get real. The more you study, the more you increase the odds over 50-50 to where you will be successful. Imagine if you can get up to 70-30. Or how about 80-20 because you're just in it so hard. And it's something that anybody can do. And it's something that you could do anywhere. Anywhere. You see them. And by the way, I don't suggest following. When you see people with a laptop on the beaches, man, that's phony. They're just trying to sell you a program. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. Never tried to sell you nothing on this channel. I'm just trying to sell you a like. Can I buy? Can you get a? Can I sell you a like? Yeah. Can I sell you a like? You know, you hit that like button. There we go. But you don't even have to do that, man. I appreciate it, but you don't have to do that. But I really want you, it's just depressing to watch people leave when I'm teaching some real stuff that can change your life. It just really blows my mind. So I got to make a video to say, hey, man, you can do this. You could change the odds in your favor. You already start off 50-50. It's already 50-50, right? That's not bad. That's really not that bad. If you could just control just control your losses for the most part. The winnings will take care of themselves, right? Just worry about losses. I promise. Worry about losses. Next thing you know, you'll blink and you're making money. But 50-50, you flip a coin 100 times, it's going to be 50 times on heads, 50 times on tails. You made no money, right? You made no money. But if you make 51-49, now you're making money. 55-45, you're making money. 60-40, you're making money. 70-40, you're making money. 80-40, you're making money. And the higher that number gets, the higher that ratio, the more money you're making on a consistent basis. And you're learning. You're just learning about stocks. You're learning, put it this way, it's something valuable that no one else can learn but you when you do it. And that's your mistakes, because that's what makes you better, right? So let's say you just jump in there and you're like, oh man, you said it was 50-50, Dre. It's more like 70-40. I'm 70. It's more like 70-30, and I'm the 30. Well, no. You got to take a deep breath, start over from scratch, and just learn from your mistakes. And it's all going to come. It's all going to come. But you have to start doing it, okay? So please, if you watch this video, subscribe and hit the bell. Don't leave. Don't unsubscribe. Subscribe, because I could change your life. And I'm not saying me or something I'm going to tell you. It's like jumping in the pool. And the water's like, then you get used to it, right? And then you're just swimming. So that's what I'm trying to get you to, just swimming, where it's just a piece of cake, learning everything I'm talking about, not necessarily following my trades. I don't recommend it, because you will lose money, because you have to come up with your own themes and ideas. And that's the only reason behind that. And you would, if you follow someone's trades and they lose, doesn't that suck? Right? Nothing is that easy. But when you come up with your own themes, you will make the most money that way. How do you come up with your own themes? You study. Just start looking around what's going around you. I'm going to give you the greatest tip right here. Ask your kids, what do they like? What are kids going crazy about? What's the hottest thing? That is a tip right there. And whatever that is, you need to go there. All right? Whatever the kids just got to have their hands on, that's what you want to buy. Okay? So there's a tip. I just gave you a free tip. Now you're 51-49. Right? It's really that easy, man. Nah, it's not easy. I'm gonna be real here. It's not easy, but when you study it, it becomes easy, and that number will turn quickly to 51-49, then 52-48, then 53-47, and I can't keep going because I'm gonna twist my numbers up, but you get it. A little bit of study, a little bit of effort, a little bit of indulging yourself in CNBC, Bloomberg Radio, Invested Business Daily, Wall Street Journal, CNN Money, Yahoo Finance, and those odds will rapidly change in your favor. And then you can make money. And you might be so good you can quit your job, right? You might be so good you can retire early. I'm talking, this is real shit. So when I'm talking about this stuff, where are you going? Why are you leaving? Because this is good for everybody. Anybody that's watching it will work for you. You can't say, I don't need that. I just want to watch them shift that 10 speed. Oh, man. I want to shoot raw. Tell me how to shoot raw and process my images. What's the next best camera? That's going to make me money. Okay, whatever. All right, so I hope you get the point of this video. I hope you understand where I'm coming from. And if you're watching this far, that means you like me and you understand. So you have to subscribe and hit that bell, because I keep it real. I show you losses here. You see it all the time. Just go back and look at it in my other videos. And I show you wins as well, right? And the market has been on fire. Oh my gosh, it's on fire. And guess what? If you're not investing, if you haven't been trading it, you missed it. You missed a generational run. It's generational. You got to wait for the next generation to get it. You missed it. Okay, but study now and get ready for the next one, because there's always another one. If you're old enough, this is going to be another generation. But you get what I'm saying, man. It's never too late. It's never too late. Start today. Start today. Go to yahoofinance.com right now and just start reading. It's really that simple. All right, so I'm Dre. This is Dre Trades right here on YouTube. I'm Dre Trades on Twitter. I'm Dre Trades on Instagram. Okay, right now this YouTube channel is new. I changed it to Dre Trades 2. It comes from Dre Trades 1. And I'm going to start putting all my content right here on Dre Trades 2. Eventually, this will be Dre Trades 1. All right, so thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment. I'll tell you what. Let me know when you started investing. Let me know when you started trading. And we could start there. All right? And then if you want, throw in your favorite stock. How about that? And then maybe I could bring it up on my next video. All right, so I'm Dre. This is Dre Trades. Thanks for watching. Peace.